Hello and welcome guys, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox one mobile pouch which is for any two-wheelers, and it can be attached, it's a magnetic, it can be attached on the tank of any two-wheeler with metal tank. Just to add one more thing, that I was using this mobile holder for the last 6-7 months now, because it's a plastic made and it got broken because of that plastic, low quality plastic I think, and also because of the rain and water and sunlight, heat, everything. So these plastic things are not that good. So this time I went for a nylon pouch with magnetic attachments on the metallic tank. So let's find out how the pouch is. This is the box which came from Amazon today, and I will be unboxing this. This is it guys, the bill and all. Golden Riders, so this is from Golden Riders, as you can see, and here are the magnets. Let's open the packet and then see how the quality of this pouch is. This is it guys, so this is the Golden Riders pouch for mobile, and they have provided chain also. Here we can put our mobile, as you can see, here we can put our mobile, and this is all chain covered. Before 1 or 2 years back this was coming velcro, what I have found from the reviews, and now this is the compartment for all other things like carrying all important stuffs and everything, like the power bank we can carry in this, and other small important documents. We also have one rain cover with this, so we can cover it up. The company is already claiming that this is waterproof pouch already, but still they are providing one this rain cover which can be covered like this. It's an elastic thing. So here also the Golden Riders this logo is given. Now it's a pretty good quality thing. By holding it, it feels premium already. So now here we can find all these 5 magnets. Okay, so these magnets will be attached on the tank, and I'll have to see that how stable these are. I think this will be pretty much stable. So once I will go in front of my bike, and then I will show you by attaching this thing on my bike. So let's see, let's put a mobile into it and see if it is touch accessible or not. So this is the mobile guys. I will put that thing in this pouch. So I will open the chain and I will just push this thing here. So if I want to access this touchscreen mobile from outside, let's see it's working or not. Yes, it's working fine. It's totally working fine, as you can see, and I can just go inside, and where is the map? Here it is. This is the map, and see how we can just use this thing out from this pouch surface. So this is a touch accessible PVC, I think what they are saying, I don't remember, but this is a PVC plastic cover which will protect the mobile good from dust and rain. And we also have here one more point opening for charging, as well as we can also use this thing for headphones also. So this is the pouch guys. Okay, so we have one more thing here inside. We have this belt also, shoulder strap. So let's fit these things also. So as you can see guys, this is how the straps can be clipped into this pouch, and this is also adjustable. We can adjust the pouch height, the strap height, and we can carry this thing in our shoulders. So this is it, guys. So if I bring the bag here, see how it is got stuck with my tank. So this is how it will look, and for safety purpose I will put this around my shoulders so it won't go anywhere. It is pretty sturdy. Okay, so this is how this thing is. This thing will be attached to the tank and which can be removed after use. So let's go for a ride and test. This is how I am using this in this position of the tank, and it's pretty good. And here I am seeing the mobile, putting my mobile, and I can see the route from here. These magnets are pretty sturdy. Once they are snapped with the tank, it's not going to go anywhere, so it's very strong magnets.